Hey, good morning. Tony LaPorta here with NakedTrader.com. Well, I surrender to the Wall Street Bulls this morning. The way I wrote a very bearish indice commentary last night, the way the Nasdaq failed to hold the gains, especially after that Texas Instrument National Semi deal. I felt that these markets were due for a very good correction today. Obviously, you wake up this morning and the Dow futures are up 60, Nasdaq's up 17 and a half. The SPOs are up, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 handles, something like that. So overnight, I had this gap in the SPOs from 34 and a half up to 36 and a quarter. The gap was filled overnight. The market has backed off a little bit, but still trading in the 34s. I do prefer to see these gaps filled during pit session hours. I put out pit session charts based on, they're Globex charts, but they're based on the pit session hours, which are 8:30 in the morning to 3:15 in the afternoon Chicago time. So I'll be looking for these SPOs to trade back up to that 36 and a quarter level this morning, fill that gap, and then we'll see what happens after that. The market feels good. I don't want to be involved. I refuse to buy it up here, but I've been short, and I took my medicine this last night actually. So all that aside, I will leave that with you. I see the credit markets are coming off this morning. I received an email from George Cavaligos last night. How can you continue to be bullish these markets with the higher commodity prices? And I mean, he's right. And my reply was, why won't they come off? I'm still on the side of the fence where, I look at a market and it should be going down and it's not going down. I mean, I look at the bond market. The bond market's been trading in a range between, I think, like 116.26 and 123.26 or whatever. It's about a 6 to 7 point range, for the last 4 months. And the bonds this morning are trading 119.23. I mean, literally right in the middle of the range, just a little bit below the middle of the range. So, why is this market not coming off? The 10 years trading more at the lower end of its 4-month range, but the bonds are trading, almost smack dab right in the middle. So until the market shows me something different, I want to continue to buy breaks, and I must be mad, but I do believe that thinking you want to sell the bond market means you're fighting the Fed. So I believe that's probably why the market's hanging in. There's obviously a lot of bears out there looking for higher rates to come, and I just don't see it at this time. But that's me, and at the end of the day, what the hell do I know anyhow? So that's about all I have today. Be very careful with these markets. Also, I won't be doing Webcast next week. I'm off to London. So if you sign up for a free trial, today, tomorrow, or Friday, anytime this week, I will also include next week as well. So as part of the free trial. So go to the website here at Naked Trader. You send an email with Tony in the subject line, and Jill will forward them on to me, and I will get those commentaries in your email box the night before the market opens. So that's all I have. Tony LaPorta with NakedTrader.com signing off. Cheers.